Wow, you guys, so yeah, it's gonna be like 91 degrees here today in New Jersey, and I've been procrastinating on pulling these carrots because I know some are ready and some were not, but I have to relieve the bed. So if you are in a hot area and you've planted carrots and they have beautiful bushy crowns like this and you don't know whether it's time or not to pull your carrots, the only way you're gonna know is if you really get your hands dirty. Now you can do this with gloves, but you'll be able to feel the diameter and girth of the carrot. But some carrots have a more bulbous crown and the rest of the root gets very narrow. So you need to know what variety of carrot you're growing because some remain narrow and some get big and fat, like the Carota carrots are usually nice and fat. These are the red Chantenay, I think is the way you say it. And I've pulled out a few Carotas. But I have, I think 11 or 15, I don't know, who knows how many varieties of carrots here. But you'll start to be able to see as I pull the colors out just how many varieties we actually have. So I'm going to continue harvesting carrots here, and then we're going to check in periodically to show you exactly what's coming out of the earth. Purple. These are multicolored inside as well. When I add these raw to my salad, I tend to not really peel them very much. And because I'm growing organically and I know it's in my soil, I'm not so worried about it. So I just make sure to heavily wash off the side roots, and then I'll go ahead and peel this entire carrot into our raw salad. And then you get the beautiful multicolored effect. And when I peel them in, I add them to the salad in peels, long peels, so that you can see the layers of colors, and it makes the salad just not only delicious, but beautiful and interesting. Okay, so right now I'm about to harvest the Amarillo, or I say Amarillo carrot, which is a yellow carrot. Now these tend to be a challenge. I noticed that when I grow these in the autumn that they come out much bigger and wider and much brighter yellow. But if I let this carrot stay in the ground much longer, I can tell by the height of its crown that it's going to go to seed soon, and then I'll lose the entire carrot. So this next carrot that I'm about to pull is called Coral with a K, K-O-R-A-L, Coral Orange. This is a new variety for us this year. And these are all very tender, young, little tiny carrots. So I was hoping to have some bigger carrots this year, but because of the weather and everything, I can't complain about these beautiful, tender little carrots. They're baby carrots. I think they're going to be delicious. I am literally dripping in sweat here, you guys. I'm dripping. The humidity levels are unprecedented here in New Jersey. So any carrots that I can get out of here that haven't bolted yet are, truly a gift. I did some really beautiful carrots in here, you guys. Oh, look at that. These are shaped the way I expected. These are short, squatty carrots, and there's just different shapes of the different varieties. All right, you guys. So my Haas Hod, which was a Christmas gift a few years ago, really comes in handy for things like this. Now this entire basket, this entire hod is full, and it appears to be quite heavy. Look at all of the beautiful colors of carrots we harvested. Now, as you can see, there's still quite a bit in the canopy. So what we're going to do next is sit and take off all of the carrot tops. I'll have to wash them and put them out to dry so that I can store them long term, because that's the process of managing to keep a harvest like this for a very long time, and I mean months. So we'll go ahead and get these decapitated, and then I'll show you all the different colors once they are clean. Wow, you guys, it is extraordinarily hot out here. I want to give you a quick glance down the alley here. Oh my gosh, I don't know if you can see all of these amazing tomatoes and these extraordinarily beautiful zinnias. But we just had a full episode here of harvesting carrots, and I'm feeling pretty fried. So, but wow, we have a bunch of tomatoes. Now this little handful of carrots here actually came out of the bag that we had over there in between the two potato bags. And these are the rainbow mix from M.I. Gardener. And they really are interesting. The white carrot is new to me. I think this is called white velvet. I don't know. But it seems to not do great in the spring. Maybe the rainbow mix is better for the cooler weather. However, after the 50% off sale today with M.I. Gardener, this variety is sold out for the year. Oh, so that's it, you guys. I am saturated. I'm dirty. I have dirt all over my face. This is not a French manicure, my friends. This is a gardener's manicure. Isn't it lovely? But that's it. Stay tuned at the end for the cleaned up carrots, you guys. I have to get the sweat out of my eyes. Thanks for harvesting carrots with me, and I'll see you in the next video. So here we are, guys. Here's all the carrots that are clean now, and they are sitting out to dry before they go into the refrigerator. Lots of varieties of orange in different lengths and shapes. This is how, this is common with carrots like this, and they're organic. So there's nothing in here making them bigger. And the black nebulas and the Pusita carrots are always just really skinny taproots like this, but they're really sweet and delicious. So we still have a bunch out there. Mostly the cosmic, atomic red and cosmic purple have not been harvested yet, but here's a few. Lots of the purple dragons and lots of the yellow amarillo and Uzbek carrots came up today. So we're really happy with this carrot harvest. Thanks for watching again, you guys. Hope to see you in the next video.